The Blackmore probe is a 3-lumen rubber tube. At the end of this tube, there is a round balloon. A cylindrical balloon is located just above the balloon. 2 channels of the Blackmore probe are used to inflate the balloons. The third lumen is used to aspirate gastric contents and monitor the effectiveness of hemostasis. Blackmore probe. It is used to stop bleeding from the dilated veins of the esophagus and cardia of the stomach, as well as to prevent the reflux of gastric contents into the esophagus and oral cavity. The Blackmore probe is a flexible probe equipped with 2 inflatable balloons, round and oval. How to use a Blackmore probe? A Blackmore esophageal probe is inserted through the nose. After the probe has reached the stomach, the distal balloon is inflated, pumping about 60 milliliters of air using a syringe. After this, the probe is pulled up until it stops. This ensures that the Blackmore probe is in the correct position and the second balloon is positioned precisely in the esophagus. How long can a Blackmore probe last? In the absence of recurrent bleeding, the esophageal balloon is left deflated. The gastric balloon is dissolved 2 hours after the esophageal balloon dissolves. NB. The maximum duration of the balloon being in the expanded state in the esophagus is 4 hours. In the stomach is 6 hours.